While looking at Earth from space, Canadian Space Agency astronaut David Saint-Jacques was amazed by the beauty of our planet. He called Earth humanity's spacecraft.
Earth is keeping billions of people alive and billions of animals and billions of plants alive in the deadly vacuum of space. So we are all astronauts, and our main spacecraft is Mother Earth. We are responsible to keep Earth in good shape. We can find solutions, and when we work together, we can accomplish miracles and things that we thought were impossible. That gives me a lot of hope for the future.
Earth imagery from space helps us better understand the science of our planet and find solutions to protect our environment.